Good morning students, welcome to your math class. Our multiplication topic is almost over. Only the last exercise means here we have to do the worksheet which is based on multiplication. First question I am going to explain here. Question is, state whether true or false. A part, 1333 multiplied by 0, is it 1313? No. When we multiply any number by 0, the product becomes 0, so it is false. B part, 2691 when we multiply by 1, is it same number? Yes, so it is true. 3333 multiplied by 200, is it this answer? No. I am going to calculate the right answer here. When we multiply n in 333 by 200, shortcut way, firstly multiply non-zero digit. 3 2s are 6, again 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. It is 666 and we will write these 20 at the back. So answer should be 66,600, but here it is 33,300, so this answer is not right. So we will write here this is false. C option is wrong. D part, 0 multiplied by any number, the product should be 0, but here it is 300, so it is false. Next, E part, 636 multiplied by 1000, is it 6,36,000? We will check. 636 multiplied by 1000, same rule, firstly multiply non-zero digit. When we multiply any digit by 1, product is same, and then we will put 3 zeros at the back. Yes, the answer are same, so it is true. So in this way you can do question number 1. Now question number 2. Yes. Now here is question number 2 in front of you. A part, 4 we are going to multiply by 300. What will be the answer? See student. Here also same. Firstly we will multiply non-zero digit, means 4 we have to multiply by 300. So firstly we will multiply non-zero. 4 3s are 12, and then these 2 zeros we will put at the back. So what is our answer here? 1200. You can do the multiplication in this way also. 4 zeros are 0, again 4 zeros are 0, and now 4 3s are 12. This is our answer. Now B part. It is here. 7631 multiplied by 0. When we multiply any number by 0, the product becomes 0. Clear? Now next C part is 8946 multiplied by which number, that the product will be same number. So it means it is multiplied by 1, because when we multiply any number by 1, the product remains the number itself. So here right option is 1. 12 multiplied by 9000. See, 12 multiplied by 9000. Firstly multiply non-zero digit. 12 9s are 108, and then write these 3 zeros at the back. Your answer is 1,08,000. So you can write your answer here. It is 1,08,000. Non-zero digit firstly multiply. it is 108, and then put these 3 zeros at the back. Clear? Next one is E part, last. 731 multiplied by 131 is equal to 131 multiplied by dash. See student, what we have to do here, see here multiplicand and multiplier both given, but here multiplier is given but multiplicand is missing. So we will write here 738, because if the both side digits are same, then only product will be same. So in the fill up area we filled here 738. In this way you can do these questions. Next question is, yeah, these are the answers. You can take help from these also, but explained by me also. So if you found any difficulty, you can go through this. Your next question is question number 3. It is in front of you. Find the product. 613 multiplied by 606, 8946 multiplied by 120, and C part is 8426 multiplied by 789. Students, I know very well that you have done lot of practice of these type of sums, so easily you can do the multiplication. I'm solving one question for you, rest you will do yourself. So here I am going to explain this. The question was 613 you have to multiply by 606. So our first step is, we will write this in vertical form. We will start multiplication from the right side. 6 3s are 18, 1 goes as a carry, 6 1 are 6 and 1 7, 6 6 are 36. Now we have to multiply tens place digits, so ones place we will put 0, and we have to multiply 613 by 0. When we multiply 0 by 0, so 0 3s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 6 are 0. Now we have to multiply 613 by 600. This multiplication we have to start. So at ones and tens place we will put 0, 6 3s are 18, we will write our new carry here 1, 6 1 are 6 and 1 7, and 6 6 are 36. Now we will add it. 8 plus 0 8, 7 plus 0 7, 8 plus 6 14, 1 goes as a carry, 7 3 10 and 1 11, 1 goes as carry, 6 and 1 7, and 3 as it is. There are not sufficient space, so I will do this explanation again for you, so that you can understand this properly. 606. Write the expanded form. Hundreds are 6, tens are 0, ones are 6. Firstly, we will start the multiplication of ones place digit. So 6 3s are 18, 1 is carry, 6 1 are 6 and 1 7, 6 6 are 36. This multiplication is over. 613 we have multiplied by 6. Now 613 we will multiply by 0, tens place digit. So ones place you will put 0, and now start 0 3s are 0, 0 1s are 0, and 0 6 are 0. Now we will multiply 613 by 600. So at ones and tens place we put 0, 6 3s are 18, previous carry we will cut and write new carry here. 6 1 are 6 and 1 7, 6 6 are 36. Now we will add it. 8 7 14 1, 7 plus 3 and 1 11, 1 goes as a carry, 7 and 3. So our right answer is 71,478. In this way you can do your rest questions also. Okay. So one I have done for you, and these are also same. You can do yourself. Now next question. This is statement sum question number 4 in front of you. Vaibhav can write 184 words on a page. A page means one page. At one page, on one page, Vaibhav can write 184 words. How many words see here question, how many words he can write on 138 pages? One page words are given, 138 pages words we have to find out. It means here we will multiply because one thing value given and many things we have to find out. How we will do this sum? I will solve it here. Solution 4, and we will write the statement here. Words can be written, or you can write Vaibhav can write words on one page is equal to 184. Now Vaibhav, what we have to find out? Vaibhav can write words on 138 pages. This we have to find out now, and this we will find out by 184 multiplied by 138. Here on the screen I am not having sufficient space, that's why I have written the statement in 2 lines. But in notebook you got lot of space, so you will write this complete statement in 1 line. This full statement you will write in 1 line, and this also you will write under this. Now we will do our multiplication. Means 184 we have to multiply now by 138. Same way, 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 8s are 64, 3 67, 6 carry, 8 1s are 8 and 6 14. Now tens place multiplication, but firstly ones place 0. Now 3 4s are 12, 1 goes as a carry, 3 8s are 24 and 1 25. Here 1 goes as a new carry, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. Now we have to multiply by 100 place digit. So 1 and 10 place 0, 1 4s are 4, 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1, and now add it. 2, 7 to 9, 5 plus 4 9 13, 1 carry, 8 plus 4 12, 13 and 1 14, 1 carry, here is 2. So our answer is here. At one page 8 plus 4 12 and 1 13. See, one mistake we have done here. 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12 here, 3 8s are 24, 1 25, 2 was as a carry, 3 1s are 3 and 2 5. Here 2 was carry, so it becomes 5 here, 5. So yeah, and here also it becomes 15. 8 plus 5 13, 14, 1 was carry. So our answer is, you will write our answer, and in answer also you will write full statement, and that is number of words written or can be written on 138 pages are, write your answer here, 25,392 words. This is your answer. So in this way you can do this question. Next बच्चों, question number 5. See, question 5 is in front of you now. There are 516 mango tree in an orchard. What is orchard? Orchard is a place where you can find many fruit trees. So a place where many fruit trees are there, that is called orchard. So a man plucked 404 mangoes from each tree. How many mangoes did he pluck in all? Question once again you will read. There are 516 mango trees. Total mango trees are 516, and from one tree has 404 mangoes. So हमें find out करना है how many total mangoes, means 516 mango trees पर कितने mangoes हैं. So one tree mangoes are 404. 516 mango trees is equal to 516 multiplied by 4. By multiplication we get our answer. So this also I will solve on a blank page here. This is solution number 6. You can write here mangoes on one tree, or mangoes can be plucked from one tree is equal to 404. And how many mango trees are there? 516. So mangoes on 516 trees. Now it is plural, so we are using the word as at the back. 404 you will multiply by 516. One tree per 404 है, so 516 trees they are having many by the multiplication. So here is no space, so I will clear it here. 516 you will multiply by 404, and multiplication you know very well. Firstly ones place 400, tens place 0, ones place 4. So firstly you will do ones place multiplication, then you will do tens place multiplication, and after that you will do 100 place multiplication. When you will do tens place multiplication you will put ones place you will put 0, and when you are doing 100 place multiplication, then ones and tens place you will put 2 zeros. 4 6 are 24, 2 goes as a carry, 4 1 are 4 and 2 6, 4 5 are 20. Ones place multiplication is over. Now tens place 0, ones place we put 0, and now tens place का 0 से हम multiply करेंगे, so 0 6 का 0, 0 1 का 0, 0 5 का 0. Now 100 place visit we have to multiply. So firstly ones and tens place 2 zeros, so you can put right here sign of multiplication also. Now 4 6 are 24, 2 as carry, 4 1 are 4 and 2, 6 4 5 are 20, 0 and 2. Now you will add it. 4 plus 0, 6 plus 0, 4 plus 0 4, 6 and 2 8, 0 and 2. So from 516 trees, how many mangoes we can pluck? We can pluck 2,08,464 mangoes. You can write the complete answer also. You can write like this: 2,08,464 mangoes can be plucked from how many trees? कितने trees से pluck किया हमने इसको? From 516 trees, mango trees. This is your answer. So in this way you can do this question. And next is, see, here is the solution of 5, and then you can do the question number 6 now. A bookseller sends 78 bundles. A bookseller sends 78 bundles of books through through a transport carrier. So means it comes in your mind that one bookseller is there and he sent 78 bundle of books. Each bundle contains 387 books, and in every one bundle there are 387 books, and each book, every book weight is 2 kg. Find the total weight of books to be transported. Means यहाँ पर हमें ये find out नहीं करना है कि how many books were transported. We have to find out how many kg of books. So firstly, one book weight is 2 kg, and how many books are there? 387. In one bundle there are 387 books. I am going to explain this for you. We will search out one blank sheet for you, one blank screen. Yeah, here it is. Here I will explain you question number 6. So see, firstly, one bundle have books. One bundle has books is equal to one bundle में कितनी books हैं? There are 387 books, and weight of one book is equal to 2 kg. So firstly we will find out the weight of these all books. Weight of 387 books is equal to 387 we will multiply by 2 kg. Okay. So our weight comes, one bundle weight will come. So you can write here weight of one bundle of books is equal to 387 multiplied by 2. Clear? It will be 7 2s are 14, 1, 8 2s are 16, 1 17, 1, 2 3s are 6 and 1 7. 774 kg is the weight of one bundle. So one bundle का हमें weight पता लग गया, and we have to find out 78 bundles weight. So you can write here weight of 78 bundle of books is equal to 774 को you will multiply by 78, then you will get your answer. Here बच्चों, because books were given but the answer was not, answer should not come in books. Answer, they are demanding that what is the weight of books. One book weight was given, it is 2 kg, and there were in one bundle how many books are there? 387. So firstly हमने एक bundle of books का weight find out कर लिया, that is 774, and then we have to find out this type of 78 bundle. फिर ऐसे ऐसे हमें 78 bundle का find out करना है. So we will multiply it by 78. तो यहाँ हम करेंगे 778 we will multiply by 78 bundles. One see, I'm going to search one blank page for you once again. Yeah, this is here. And 387 was the weight of in one bundle, 387 books now, and one book weight is 2 kg, so it is 7 2s are 14, 1 17, 3 2s are 6 and 7. It is 774, and हमें 70, this is the weight of one bundle, and we have to find out the weight of 78 bundle. For this 774 we will multiply by 78. यहाँ तक clear हो गया था? So now we will multiply 774 by 78. Same process, 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 7 8s are 56 and 3 59, 3 carry, 8 7s are 56 plus 3 59. Ones place put 0, 7 4s are 28, right here, 8 we have written here, 2 goes as a new carry, 7 7s are 49 plus 2, 51, 5 goes as a carry, 7 7s are 49 plus 5, it is 54. Now we will add it. Clear? Now you can add this one. 387 by 2, 7 to the 14, 1, 8 to the 16, 1, 70, 3 to the 6, 7. यहाँ तक ठीक था. 8 4 is 32, 3 goes as the carry, 8 7 is 56 plus 3 59 and it goes 5 as a carry. 8 7 is 56 plus 5, it is 61. Here we have done one mistake, so I am going to correct this. In ones place multiplication there was one mistake, so I am going to repeat it here. Once again, 8 4s are 32, 3 goes as a carry, 8 7s are 56 plus 3, it is 59, 9 we will write here and 5 goes as a carry here. 100 place पे हमने mistake की थी. Now 8 7s are 56 plus 5, it is 61. 1 here and 6 goes here. Now 7 4s are 28, 2 goes as a carry, we will write here new carry here. 7 4s are 28, 2 goes carry, 7 7s are 49 and 2 51, 5 goes as a carry, 7 7s are 49 plus 5, it is 54. Now we can do our addition. See बच्चों, 2 plus 0, it is 2. 9 plus 8 17, 1 goes as a carry, 1 plus 1 2 and 1 3, 6 plus 4 10, 0 here, 5 and 1 6. So this is our answer. Weight of 78 bundles, it is 60,372, and in the next line you can write your complete answer statement also, that weight of 78 bundle of books is 60,372 kilogram. Clear? The same way you can do your last question, and that is question number 7. Here it is. A baker bakes 367 loaves of bread a day. It means one day how many breads were baked? 300. One day how many breads were baked? 367. And question is, how many loaves of bread will be baked in 2 years? 1 year days, you know, 365. 2 years days, you will multiply it by 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 2 3 6 are 12 and 1 13. 1 goes here. 3 2s are 6 and 7. It means 730 days में how many breads will be baked, that we have to find out. Okay, so I will do it again here. Our statement, multiplication statement, start with the 1. So 1 day bread or you can write in this way, bread baked in 1 day. Bread baked in 1 day is equal to, how many breads were baked? 367. And 2 years means 365. When we have multiplied it by 2, it becomes 730. So you can write here bread baked in 730 days. 2 years को हमने days में convert कर दिया by 365 multiplying by 2. So 367 we will multiply here by 730. This we can do on blank page here. 730 you have to multiply by 367. Same step you will follow. 7 zeros are 0, 7 threes are 21, 2 goes here, 7 sevens are 49 and 2 51. 1's place 0, 6 से multiply होगा, 6 twos are 6 zeros are 0, 6 threes are 18, 1 goes as new carry, 6 sevens are 42 and 1 43. 100 place को multiply करना है, so 1's place 1 cross, 10's place also 1 cross. Now 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21. Now we will add it 0, 1, 9. 9 plus 3 12 and 5 17, 1, 4, 5 and 1 6, and here 2. So how many breads were baked in 2 years? It is 2,67,910. And at the end you will write your answer. So students, these questions are explained from my side. Now it is your duty to do practice of worksheet all the question 1 to question number 7. Thank you. Have a nice day.